Here's the secret to getting Amazon seller support to solve your issues fast. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and at the end of this video, I'm also going to be giving you some pro tips on how to escalate your issues to the right Amazon team. Let's dive in. Number one is to collect evidence before you open up that case with Amazon Seller Central. So let's say your Amazon listing was removed, like this one. Before we start crying, what we want to do is we want to take a screenshot. So be like, yo, Amazon, here's a big screenshot. It has been removed. So you're going to take that screenshot. You're also going to go to your inventory and show them that it's been removed. So I got screenshot number one, shows cute little doggy. We got screenshot number two right here. And we're going to try to take the screenshot. Screenshot number two literally says inactive, just in case. Amazon's super lazy. We're going to do that. We're also going to take a screenshot of why it was removed. So if you have a performance notification, why it was removed, and then have some proof that you did fix the listing. So why was it removed and how did you fix it? So those are going to be the two things. So we also need to provide information on that. Step two is going to be opening up the cases with Amazon in two separate departments. So this is going to be a little trick. What you're going to go and you're going to get, so you already have all that information and you're simply going to get managed support. So get help and resources. You're going to go to get help and resources right here, and it's going to take you right here. And the first one we're going to open up is the listing is not buyable. It shows it right here. So click on that. And then you're going to put your ASIN in. Having issues, yes. Continue. Loading. It's super fast. Amazon super fast. ASIN is not searchable on Amazon. It's completely removed. Click continue. It looks like it's missing a browse node. Oh, great. Contact an associate. Now you're going to put in all the information. Hi, please see images attached. ASIN, and you're going to put it was removed. Problem. You're going to write out the problem, why it was removed, how I fixed it, and then you're going to write out how you fixed it, and then you're going to say please see attached, and then you're going to put all the attachments right here. So attached, we've got the inactive and stuff like that. So you're going to put in all that information just like that. You're going to copy this because you're going to need it again, and you're going to click review and submit, and then you're going to contact an associate via email. Don't do phone, don't do chat, because email you have to attach these files. So you're going to open it up via email, and then you're going to attach the files as needed that you need to, and you're going to click send. Next, since we copied all this stuff, we're going to go and we're going to open up a second case with a second team, and you're going to click my issue is not listed. Now we're going to put it in a different way. So let's try to we're going to copy this, and you need to change this up. It can't be exactly the same. So you're going to do dear Amazon seller support. I have an issue. Will you kindly review this entire message? And now you're going to paste that message down here. Now you're going to click continue, and you're going to set my issue is not listed. You're going to put product or listing related, and then you're going to do email only. You can just leave the subject like that, and then you're going to put those attachments, and then you're going to open up that email. Step number three is to contact Amazon again right away, and this is what we're going to do. So we open up the email. You should have attachments to the email. You're going to click reply, and you're going to call them right away, and you're going to put see notes, see first message on case log. Right when you call them, you're going to be like, hi, I'm Amazon, how can I help? You're going to say, hey, can you please review the first message on this case log and all of the pictures attached? They're going to be like, what? Can you look at the first message and all of the pictures attached? Now they're going to ask you this anyway over and over again. So make sure that this first email is on point. It's got those screenshots so they can document everything and then escalate it. Right when they're like, oh, okay, we reviewed it all. You know, your listing is deactivated. Yes, can you please escalate it? Can you please escalate it? Can you please escalate this issue? Now that they have all of the documentation, you're good to go, and they're going to escalate the issue to the correct team. You're going to do the same thing on the second case. You're going to call them right away and be like, hey, can you see that? You can also chat with them as well. Calling is the best. Chat is the second best. And then email is great for following up. but you want to call them right after that so they direct it to the right department the first time. Step number 4 is to follow up pretty much every 24 hours. Now, you don't want to follow up too much, but I do recommend following up every 24 to 48 hours. You're just going to go into the email and be like, hey, is there any update on this? Hey, is there any update? And then every 2 or 3 days, you do another call or you do another chat. Right? So you want to call or chat, hey, I need this escalated. Has this been escalated yet? Oh, what's your issue? Look at again, just repeat. Can you look at the first message on this case log? They're going to go through it. Oh my gosh, wow, somebody forgot to attach this to the case. I'll attach it now. Make sure they attach everything to the case and make sure they escalate it to the right team. When they do escalate it, be like, hey, what team did you escalate it to? Just so you know, we escalated to the advertising team. This isn't an advertising issue. Just make sure they escalate it to the right team and make sure you're following up. Now, all this is going to help you in your Amazon journey to get to the right seller support person. If you open up too many cases and they're exactly the same, Amazon's going to shut them down. But usually 2 cases works really well, and we did 2 different areas to contact Amazon. So right now it's going to 2 different departments. Now, because you stay until the end of the video, I'm also going to be showing you what teams to escalate it to. So if I was calling Amazon and I was saying, hey, escalate it, now you can mention the exact team. When you first open it up with Amazon, you're opening up with seller support. When you say, hey, can you escalate it to, you want to escalate it to the catalog team first. Can you escalate this issue to the catalog team? It is a catalog team issue because it was removed from Amazon because of a catalog issue, and the catalog team can usually solve 90% of issues. If the catalog team can't solve it, can you escalate it to the captive team? Can you put me on the phone with the captive team? Can you put me on the phone with the catalog team? Try to get transferred to that escalation partner, and they're going to be able to help you. We also have the leadership team, and then other is the brand registry team that has a super crazy amount of power, but that's something that you can't really contact them directly on seller support. You can get it transferred to them. And then of course the executive team, which you do not want to email unless like you're suspended or something, your entire account suspended. But this is going to be the escalations team, so you can tell them what exact team to escalate it to. So right from the get, you do want to try to escalate it to the catalog team, and that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And that's it for today's video. If you did learn something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to this channel because it's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And if you do need help selling on Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. Our #1 service is getting your items reinstated as well as full account management. So we're monitoring your listings, and if anything gets shut down, we're reinstating it. We're making sure we're increasing your sales, managing your ads, calling Amazon for you, and all of the above so you can save time and we can increase your sales. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com today. I'm Josh Hackett and I'm signing out.